Have you ever walked into the supermarket, looked at the price of eggs, bread, or milk, and thought, wait a second, did this get more expensive overnight? That, my friend, is inflation. But here is the shocking twist. If prices are always going up, someone must be winning. The question is, who? In the next few minutes, you will understand exactly what inflation is, why it happens, who wins when prices rise, and who ends up losing the most. Section 1. What is inflation? Picture a balloon. Every time you blow air into it, it grows bigger. That is inflation, prices rising across the whole economy. 50 years ago in America, a hamburger cost 30 cents. Today, that same burger, about $5. The burger is almost the same, but the money in your pocket, worth less. Section 2. Why does it happen? Two main reasons. First, too much money chasing too few goods. Imagine an auction with one painting. 10 people show up, each with thousands to spend. What happens? The price shoots up. Second, shortages. If there are fewer eggs, fewer cars, or less oil, prices rise even if demand stays the same. And then there's the classic trick, printing money. When a government prints too much, the value of every dollar falls. It's like pouring water into juice. The more you add, the weaker it tastes. But wait, if money loses value, who gains? Section 3. Who really benefits? Surprise, not everyone hates inflation. Number 1, the government. When prices go up, tax revenues go up too. Same burger, higher tax, more money for them. Number 2, people with debt. If you owe $10,000 today and inflation runs wild, the money you pay back tomorrow is worth less. It's like borrowing in gold and paying back in chocolate coins. Number 3, big companies. They can raise prices faster than their costs, making even bigger profits. Oil companies, for example, love this game. But of course, someone has to lose. Section 4. Who loses the most? The answer is simple. Ordinary people. Savers lose. If you keep your money in cash or in a weak savings account, inflation eats it alive. Workers lose. If your salary stays the same while prices climb, you're getting poorer without noticing. Small businesses lose. They can't raise prices as fast as big corporations, so their profits shrink. Look at Venezuela. Hyperinflation reached millions of %. People carried bags of cash just to buy bread. Their savings? Gone in days. So, is inflation always the villain? Section 5. Is inflation ever good? Believe it or not, a little inflation can be healthy. Economists usually aim for about 2% a year. Why? Because it encourages spending and investment. If prices rise slowly, people buy today instead of waiting. On the other hand, too little inflation can freeze the economy. Japan is the classic example. For decades, prices barely moved. People postponed spending, businesses slowed down. Inflation is not evil by itself. The real danger is losing control. Like fire in a fireplace, it gives warmth when managed, but left unchecked, it burns the house down. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Inflation is not just rising prices. It's a hidden game of winners and losers. Governments and debtors often win. Savers and workers often lose. The lesson is simple. Inflation is like gravity. You can't escape it, but you can learn how to live with it. Now, I want to hear from you. When was the moment you felt inflation in your daily life? Was it in the supermarket, at the gas station? Tell me your story in the comments. If this video made inflation finally clear, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next explainer. And if you want to go even deeper, watch the video on screen now, How Money Printing Really Works. I promise it will blow your mind.